on the bus. Going back to Venice. We just made it to one of the bus stops. Venice is like a mini maze. The streets. Wine. It's like a mini maze. I'm in the streets of Venice right now. You can see there's a lot of people out here, tourist area. You can buy souvenirs. They got a lot of shops on this street, one of the main streets. Gucci, Louis, Prada, all that fun stuff. A lot of souvenir stores. As you can see, there's a lot of people. Fun place. Different experience. Look, you get pasta. Pasta in the window. We are at Piazza San Marco. Drinking some wine in the piazza. Get front row seats, drink wine. It's a beautiful place. Free? Free.
No, thank you. I don't need it.